Hello everyone, welcome to our channel. Today I am going to show you how to download and install Python 3.10.0. So let's get started. Go to your browser, search for Python, then click on the first link. Once Python websites load up, go to download section, click on Python 3.10.0. To download it, it will take a few seconds depending upon your internet speed. Once downloaded, open the installation file. Check both boxes is ticked and go for Customize installation. In the optional features, remember to check all the boxes and hit Next. In advanced options, mark the install for all users and then you can choose the installation path of your choice and hit install. The installation process will not take a long time, so wait for few seconds. As it shows setup was successful, click on close. Once the installation is done, check the installation location. For that, go to my computer, then local disk C program files. As you can see, there is a Python file and inside it we have all our required files. Now let's go to the start menu and search command prompt. Once the command prompt is open, let's check and verify our Python version. To verify our Python version, Python space -version and press enter. As you can see, we have updated Python version. Now let's go to search menu and look for idle and open it. Now let's print some command to check. Write print Learnbay and press enter. As you can see, our idle is running properly. Now go to start menu and search for Python and open it. Apply the same command that we used in idle. As you can see, this is also working properly. So this is how we can download and install Python easily. Thanks for watching.